I was the training manager for a company, so I had to work and coordinate with the production manager. Production manager was a very difficult person. Maybe it's the type of his job that makes him difficult, but he used to come across as a person that's rude. And people didn't like communicating with him. So I remember I said to myself, you know what, I need to build a relationship with this guy, but he's difficult. Then I asked myself this question. I said, what can I appreciate about this guy? And in the beginning, my mind said nothing. I'm like, no, really, what can I appreciate about this guy? I'm like, you know what, this guy doesn't like to waste time. He appreciates time, he's effective with his time. I like that. I can totally relate to a person like this. I asked him for a meeting. Usually he comes into the meeting, he's like, what's the purpose of this meeting? You know, like, not even, hi, how are you, how's your day? No, what's the purpose of this meeting? So I'm like, before we start, you know what I like about you? He's like, what? I'm like, I like the fact that you don't like to waste time. Very efficient with your time, and you make sure that you use your time effectively. And he's like, yeah, you know, people don't take care of their time, they don't use their time well, we have limited time, limited resources. I got a connection now with this guy. Whereas before it was very superficial. But because I focused on what's great about him, I was able to have a connection with him. So when you're sitting with the client, even if it's a difficult client, just ask yourself, what can I appreciate about this guy? What's there to admire about this guy?